It's a little intense, but we're dealing with it. I just wanted to make a little short about family court. And just another dad from it. And we really work in a system that doesn't take either the family court seriously or the parents seriously, or both. For example, schools can't enforce any court orders. Nobody can enforce any of these court orders. Not even the law can enforce the court orders so long as it's police enforceable, which is a joke. What's the point in going to court then? You're under the assumption that these parents can get along. We wouldn't be in court if we could get along. Duh. My ex has nothing to say to me because I only ever speak through her current bitch boy, while like I communicate to them, but it's just him communicating back. And it's been that way for a long time. But there's no way to hold her accountable to actually make her follow the order. She doesn't follow the schedule. She withholds when she decides, all that kind of stuff. When I have final decision making, like I went through all of this process, I got sole custody, I got final decision making, I got everything I needed, but because it's not police enforceable, it's not enforceable. They can't enforce it. I can take it back to court, and they can pretend to enforce it, but the only way I can enforce anything is by not sending him back. So after 10 years, I have to go back, start the process again, because she can't be trusted, like I said she couldn't be, and now I have to go prove it again, well, even though I already have more evidence since then, so it makes it even easier. But it's like, where does it stop? When do you actually care about the children? If you cared about the children, it'd be enforceable. I understand that you don't want the police involved, but the police are who we call every time to enforce the court order that you get from court. You know, the only other time you go to court is when you are arrested as a criminal, or you're suing somebody and trying to get something out of them. So that very fact alone should mean, get what I'm getting at? It's like, it should be enforceable because it's a court order. And then my situation's even stickier because my ex is Indigenous. And the Indigenous are on their own sovereign land within the province. So it falls under federal jurisdiction, not provincial. And you guys in the States, it might make a whole lot of sense to you. It'd be like the federal and then the state. So, anyways, I'm probably going to talk about some more of this later, but I wanted to at least start the conversation, because this is what's pressing my life right now. Have a great day.